Good morning, children. So till now we have learnt about the addition of literals and the numbers, subtraction of literals and the numbers, then multiplication of literals and the numbers, division of literals and the numbers. I have explained. I hope you have understood, and you have to go through your textbook and you have to write down in your notes. Okay, children. Today in this class, let me explain about the exercise number 7.1. Few questions I will solve, you children. The remaining question you have to try to solve in your notebook. Okay, let me read the first question. Write the following using the numbers, literals and the signs by basic operations. The first one. 1/6 of the sum of A and B. 1. You can open your textbook, children. The page number 152. Page number 152, exercise number 7.1 will be there. You can open your textbook and keep your notebook also and try to write it. 1/6 of sum of A and B. So what I have to do? First I have to sum A and B. Sum is nothing but addition. Sum is nothing but addition. So sum of A and B means first A plus B. 1/6. 1/6 means what to do? 1/6. 1/6 of A plus B. 1/6 of A plus B. 1/6 of sum of A plus B. So 1/6 of A plus B. The answer is 1/6 of A plus B. Next, the second one. 1/3 of X is taken away from 1/5 of Y. 1/3 of X. 1/3 of X means what is the meaning? 1/3 X. Taken away. Taken away is nothing but subtract. We have to subtract it. Taken away means what we have to do? We have to subtract it. Taken away from, by which number? From 1/5 of Y. 1/5 of Y. See, I will write here 1/5 of Y means 1/5Y. Okay, I have written 1/3 of X and 1/5 of Y. Now what they are asking, 1/3 of X is taken away from 1/5 of Y. Then what will be the answer? 1/3 of X will be taken away from 1/5 of Y. So 1/5 of Y I have to write first. Okay. Then 1/3 of X. 1/3 of X. I hope you have understood. Let me read the question. 1/3 of X is taken away from 1/5 of Y. So 1/5 of Y I have to write first. Then in between negative sign, then 1/3 of X. So here negative sign will be there. 1/5 of Y minus 1/3 of X. Okay, children. Next. 3 times of X. 3 times of X is divided by 2 times of Y. 3 times of X means what is the meaning? 3X. Okay, 3 times of X is divided by 2 times of Y. So divided by 2 times of Y. What is the answer? 3X by 2Y. What is the answer? 3X by 2Y. Understood, children? 3 times of X. So the 3X. Then 2 times of Y is 2Y. Divided by. So 3X will be in the numerator and 2Y will be in the denominator. Last one. So here I have skipped some of the problem, children. You have to solve the first one, second one, 6th one and 11th one I have written. The remaining question you try to solve in your home. Next, 11th one, 6 multiplied by X is decreased by 7. 6 multiplied by X means what is the meaning? 6X. Correct? 6 multiplied by X is decreased by 7. So decreased means what is the meaning? Negative sign. Decreased means subtraction, negative sign, minus sign by 7. So 7. So what is the answer? 6X minus 7. 6X minus 7. 6 multiplied by X is decreased by 7. So 6X minus 7. Okay, children. Now let me rub this one. Exercise number 7.1. The remaining question you try to solve, children. Now let me explain about the powers of the literals. Let me explain about the next topic, the powers of the literals. Powers. Powers of literals. Literals is nothing but letters. Powers of the literals. Okay. Example, let me explain. For example, 2, the number 2, here it has repeated 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. the number 2 has repeated how many times? 5 times. Then that can be written as 2 power 5. Okay, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 2 has repeated 5 times. So how to write that one in the exponential form? That is 2 power 5. Power. Okay children, this 2 is known as a base. 2 is known as a base, and 5 what I have written, that is how many times the number has repeated, that is known as a power. Power, that is also known as an exponent. Power is also known as an exponent. Another one example, a into a into a. 3 times let me write, okay. A how many times? 3 times has repeated. So a power 3. How many times it has repeated? So that you have to write it in the power, and this a is known as a base. I hope you have understood children. Now let me write a power 1. A power 1, the value is a only. Means a has repeated only one time. A has repeated only one time. So the answer is a only. Now a power 0. What is the answer for this a power 0? If the exponent or the power is 0 and base is a here, if the exponent or power is 0 means the answer is always equal to 1. This is very important. You have to make a note. So let me write, this is very important. Okay. A power 0, that is always equal to 1. Not only a power 0, x power 0, y power 0, 100 power 0, 2 power 0. Any number or letter to the power 0, that is always equal to 1. So keep in your mind children. Now the next topic, let me explain about the constants. Okay. The next topic, constants. Constants. So what is the meaning of constants? What is the meaning of constant? Then constant is nothing but one symbol children. Constant is nothing but one symbol which is having the numerical value. Constant is nothing but a symbol which is having the numerical value, that is known as a constant. For example, if I am writing 2, or another one example 6. So 2, the value is 2 only. We cannot change the value of 2. We cannot change the value of 6, correct? So this numerical value, a symbol which is representing the numerical value, is known as a constant. So 2 is a numerical value, 6 is a numerical value. Numerical value, a constant is nothing but a symbol which is having the numerical value. And there is no changes in this value. There is no changes in the value. For example, if I am writing x, so the x can take any value. X may be at the 0, 1, 2, like that. X can carry any value. Y can carry any value. Y can carry any value. So this x, y are known as a variables. And 2, 6, 3, that is a constant value. We cannot, there is no chance of changing the value. That is known as a constant, the fixed value. Constant is nothing but a fixed value. A symbol which is having the numerical value, that is a fixed value. Variable means there is a changes in the value. Okay children, I hope you have understood the meaning of constants. Okay. Now, let me explain about the factors. Let me explain about the factors. What do you mean by factors? Okay children, let me consider one example for that. 6x square. 6x square. Okay children, here 6 is one term, 6 and x square. So let me use the symbol is here multiplication. Okay, 6 is one term and x square is another one term. When these two terms are going to multiply, so we will get 6x square. That is another one term. Okay, the 6 is numerical value, numerical factor. 6 is known as a numerical factor. Okay, and this x square is a algebraic or variable factor. X is a variable factor. That variable factor is also known as a literal factor, and the numerical factor, that is nothing but a constant. Numerical factor, that is nothing but a constant. Okay, 6x square. Now this is 6x square, that can be written as 6 into x into x. Okay children, into x, because x into x is nothing but x square. And the 6 can be split as 2 into 3. Okay, because 2 3s are 6. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Then once again what will happen? X into x. 2 into 3 into x into x. So these are all the factors for 6x square. 2 3s are 6. Like that, x into x is x square. 2, 3, x, x. So these are all the factors. Then other factors are, we can write it like this, children. 1 is also factor. 1 is also factor because 1 6 is 6. Then 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, then 6 is a factor, then x is a factor. Okay. Then 2x, 3x, 6x. Okay. Then x square is a factor, x square, then 2x square, 3x square, then finally 6x square. So these are all the factors, children. Factors, when we are multiplying the factors, so we will get this term. Okay, when we are multiplying the factors, so we will get the term 6x square. For 6x square, I have explained here, like that so many examples are there in your textbook. In the next coming class, let me explain about exercise number 7.2. So till that, page number 153, few examples are there, just you go through it. Next coming class, let me explain about exercise number 7.2. You have to write it, you have to learn, children. Nowadays I am sending extra videos because we have to cover the portion. November 11th onwards you are having the midterm examination, so please don't neglect, watch the video and learn, children. Thank you very much.